syntactic annotated corpora. So perhaps 3 banks? I'd say 3 banks are too small. I'd say we can build parsed corpora. Parsed corpora now, well, 3 banks are much, they require a lot of effort to build. Therefore, they have reasonable quality, but they are too small. Okay, so they're too small. So instead, we want to pass the corpora. Pass the corpora are cheap, and they can therefore be very large. And we don't have to hire students, and we may have doubts about the quality. Okay, so the claim here is that automatically constructed 3 banks parsed corpora are useful for linguistics. Okay, my own background is in work that we did on the system for Dutch, only for Dutch. It's a combination of a system that uses a rule system, which is some, well, HPC-ish on the one hand, and it does some serious disambiguation using a maximum entity model. And to make the whole thing even more kind of chaotic, it produces dependency structures. And it has been developed over, it still says 8 years, but actually it's more like 10 now. And it has been in kind of clearly improved in accuracy over the years. Of course, it will work better for some corpora than for others. So for newspaper text, we now get over 91% named dependency accuracy, whereas for legal texts we have something like 76, which is not very good. So we haven't gone yet. We're still working on it, but for certain text types, the results are good enough for a lot of applications, including linguistics. Okay, so now we've started to parse larger text collections. For instance, the Wikipedia is a kind of an obvious candidate to try to parse. So some people got rich doing this for English. So we already did this for Dutch, but we haven't had an offer yet. Other collection is a big collection of newspaper material from Dutch newspapers, and there's also a large collection, even a large collection of Flemish newspapers. There was a large article last week in a national Flemish newspaper describing how the University of Leuven, using our parser, parsed all that material, and were one of the biggest users of the hardware in Leuven, the high performance computing facility in Leuven. Okay, so my claim is that we can use those resources for linguistics. Of course, you can use them for a lot of other things, information extraction, question the three lengths would be too small for this sort of thing, typically. Okay, and we've been able to settle this question. Another example study is about the distribution of two forms of the reflexive pronoun zich in the zich and zichzelf. The explanation was provided by a linguistic explanation was that when we use one and when we use the other depends whether the action that the verb indicates is more often used with oneself than not. Okay, so you would use yourself if it would be kind of a surprise if you would do this to yourself. So you would beat yourself, right? Because normally you would beat somebody else. And this you can also, this argument you can basically go and look in the corpus and to see if this correlation is true or not. Okay, so the one example I'm going to explain here is about the extraposition of comparative complements out of the topic. So we have this paper with an analysis of comparatives, and we have an analysis of right word extraposition in those. And we said these two analyses kind of combine and everything works, and then the reviewer says, well, maybe this is not quite right, because you're predicting that a certain construction is grammatical, whereas I, the reviewer, say it's ungrammatical. So just go to, so here the example would be number 3 here. You would say that well, this is the example by the reviewer. It's not grammatical to say lager was de koers nog nooit dan gisteren, lower was the rate yet never than yesterday. So the idea is that then yesterday the comparative complement is licensed by the constituent in front, right? Because that's a comparative adjective, are you going to build an annotated reading 15 million words? I don't think so. So it's very hard to